Hello, and welcome to EZAnlaytix. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Data Validation Rules widget to configure rules to validate, verify, and correct data. We start with the single field validation rules. Select a variable. Click Add Rule button. In this example, we select a continuous variable named rating to define a numeric range between 7 to 10 for its values. Now there are two single field validation rules are defined for rating variable, one is missing value rule and another one is rating range rule. Click Save Rule button to save the edit logic. Click Run button to validate the data. Click the validation icon to display validation result. Validation statistics are displayed on the top of the validation result page. Click the rating variable and sorting button to sort the display. Invalid data items are highlighted in orange color. A multi-field edit logic evaluates the values of more than one data item to determine whether the relationship is valid. Select Multi-Field Validation tab and click Add Rule button to add a groovy expression rule. Groovy expression is used to express the relationship. The expression must return a boolean. The expression must be tested. Save the rule and click Run button. Click the validation result icon to display validation result page. Click Sort button to display multi-field rule violations. The detected invalid data items are highlighted in orange color. A multi-record edit logic involves aggregated data or the checks applied to the whole dataset. In this example, we define a multi-record validation consistency rule. Select Multi-Record Validation tab. Click Add Rule button and select Consistency Rule type. Key in rule name. Drag a variable and drop it to primary key variable box. Drag the consistent variable and drop it to consistent variable box. Save the rule and click Run button. Click the validation result icon to display validation result page. Check the consistent variable. You can click Consistency button in the legend to display the inconsistency data items. Deterministic change is to correct the data value of one data item. Select a variable that the deterministic change rule will be applied to. Select Deterministic Change tab and click Add Rule button. In this example, we define a deterministic change rule for rating variable which is a continuous variable. The rule will change all its missing values and invalid single field validation data items to -1. Click Run button. As you can see, the workflow is changed. Click the new dataset icon in the workflow. The dataset view page displays. You can see that some rating variable values are changed to -1. You can manually correct the data errors by right-mouse clicking the validation result icon and clicking Edit Dataset in the context menu. The validation result editing page displays. You can correct an individual data item error for a particular variable. To correct an individual data item, right-mouse click a highlighted error data item and then click Edit Value button. Key in the correct value and hit Enter key. Click the appeared Save Change button. You can manually correct the data values for a variable. Right-mouse click a variable and click Edit Variable in the context menu. The Edit Variable Value dialog displays. Find the value to be replaced and left-mouse click it. Key in the correct value and hit Enter key. All the records with the variable value will be corrected. Click OK button. Click Save Change button to save the changes. Thanks for watching the Data Validation Rules widget demonstration.